Welcome back to day one
official
of
robot
official
tour.
Robot tour.
Okay.
Okay.
So look, this is the height.
This is the height. We are in.
Wait, zoom in
size.
on the numbers.
We are in size.
Yep. See,
Okay.
right here.
Good.
Okay.
And width?
Now I'll hold this up so you can measure it better.
Dude.
Yeah. Dude.
You have to be able to stay in size.
Okay. So I'm holding it at the very back. So
Oh.
get the angle from right there.
Meaty.
Zoom in on this.
Meaty length, dude.
Okay, that's perfect.
Farthest out point is the shafts. Oh, we're 13.
Zoom in on the.
We have to be
number.
this wide. We got that.
Yeah.
Got
yeah.
that?
13.
Okay. All right.
Now we're gonna show you how it works. Okay. So first thing, these start back, right? You drive forward.
Okay, you might.
Boom! They already fall down.
Okay, what are these for? You might ask.
Okay.
Let's go.
After these are down, what you have to do. Okay, all this thing spins like this.
Okay, so that's
Like
that's pivot point
keeps
number
spinning.
one, numero uno.
And then
Pivot
it goes
point
like
numero
that.
uno right here.
Okay, now we have to pivot this all the way down.
Look at this.
See if we
Pivot
wanna
point
go
number
into
2.
that.
So
Yep.
there's 2 pivot points on this. We'll show you why later. And now we're gonna go underneath the pull-up bar.
Okay.
Demonstration.
So it goes like this. It goes on this.
You can see it
over
out.
this. Geniusly crafts its way.
Oh, wait, sorry. Ooh, a little bit of draggage,
It's fine, it's fine.
but it's okay.
It works perfectly.
All right.
Now what we do, we raise this up.
And then we get
This.
whatever objects
Yep,
we need
get whatever
inside
objects. Turn
of
around.
this. We
turn
grab the
around.
objects just like that.
Okay, then we move
And we do
forward.
the same thing.
Lower this again. Now you keep going.
Ooh, there's a whole lot of claw problems going on there.
No, we're good.
Now we got obstacle number 2. The rolling hills.
Okay, so now what we're gonna want to do with the robot,
Rolling hills.
we push this up like this,
This is
so that way the weight is balanced. We turn around, and then
watch this.
look how smooth it goes over. there.
Okay, so talking about our design process a little bit here. So we had Kush. Originally we had a 3-wheel, but the problem with the 3-wheel is that it was like lifted up right here. So
Yeah,
there's
so it
a
like
tipping
pivot.
point, right? So we instead decided to remove this wheel so it would cross over a lot easier.
Okay.
Okay?
Now should we show them the crazy object?
The
We
craziest.
could show them the
Now
DeForest.
this is the most difficult part of the whole entire course.
Pipes are cut exactly to the size, the official size.
The official size. All right.
Okay, so what you do, you raise this part
Raise
a little.
it all the way.
Okay, go close to this where it's like half an inch away.
Okay.
Okay, then you
Then-
lower the top arm.
Okay, get the whole arm. Get the whole arm. Get the whole movement, dude. Whole
Yeah, I'll
movement.
get the arm. Okay,
All right.
and then
now
look
analyze
at
this.
Wait, yeah, go under it and show them like. Wait, look at the phone screen and make sure you can see this gap.
Look
Yes.
at the amount of clearance on this part.
Okay.
And look, we're on the ground over here. So this is one of the most genius designs ever made.
And then look, you close the claw. Ready? Wait.
Okay, the
you
robot
close-
is not powered on.
Yeah, the
so
robot's
it's a
not
little
powered
bit
on. So you
difficult
close
to
the claw.
demonstrate.
And then you raise this up all the way, like
And
that,
then you raise.
and then you just go backwards.
Without hitting the forest at all.
No forest hittage. So now, this is the drop-off mechanism. Anderson, if
Yep.
you want
Okay.
to show it off.
It just when you move it, it goes like that. Okay.
Right on the ring, right? And then we
Move
have
it
these
up,
blocks
go back.
from we have these blocks to simulate the dinosaur
Actually,
toys.
put them up here. We'll show them how
Right?
I can reach on a high
It can
table.
reach on the table, which
Look,
is it's
look.
not
You
even this high.
Raise the lower arm
It's
up all
even.
the way.
This is not even the highest. This is the. This is higher than the other
Raise
one.
it.
It's way higher than the actual
Move the drivetrain.
thing,
Lower it a little.
and then clamp.
Close. Raise it. And look how high this robot goes. It goes all the way up to here. Like
Almost as high as Control.
So we have
from that angle.
we can get these here really easily. These are simulating dinosaur toys. All right, so we got 2 eggs. Boom. All right. And so we can attack one like this. Boom. Super easy, super simple. We do not currently have an egg carton, but if you drop it in, it should be all good just because of the way egg cartons work.
2 at once. It has multiple capacity.
Yeah, we can store both. We can store all objects in here at the same time.
If you ever see a mess like this, okay, look at this mess. All that, grab it all.
Okay, Look,
So
and
you
we
can get
have
both of
2
them.
block capacity in here.
Okay, so
We're
now I'm
uploading
gonna
this
show
on
you
YouTube.
up close,
Yes, no
the clip.
way.
We have
Is it
all
red?
these.
No, is it a red? That's
Yeah,
It's
maybe.
a green.
It's a green.
yeah.
Okay, we have a green motor here, but it's worked every time. It
200
can
RPM.
pick. Yeah.
200 RPM. Everything on here is
See,
200
we have
RPM.
all of these. They go through the holes on the end and go around these metal screws. Originally we used plastic hooks, but they broke pretty easily. And then in here we have the chamfer, or yeah, this stuff is called chamfer on shape, and it guides it in. So you
It's
can
like
fit
a
big
glide.
objects.
It's like a little ramp.
That's
for it.
that's how we can pick up the rings from the floor, because it glides onto it.
Okay, and then boom.
Yeah, like
Look
it,
how buttery smooth that was, guys.
yeah.
And then what else do we have?
Okay, also,
Okay, so we'll
this,
do it up
okay, I'll show
close
you this.
on this right here.
So
we basically have 2 shaft collars that aren't doing anything on the very
and then
ends.
this motor down here has a small gear,
This is a
Where is it?
red motor. This is 100
small
RPMs.
gear under it.
So this is extremely torquey because this whole
Yeah,
assembly
there's a
is
small
really
gear
heavy.
under here that is attached to the motor.
And then we also
and then
have,
it pulls it all the way back until that hits that. I forgot to mention, these also help go under this bar.
yeah, I think we kind of
These just stay here, yeah.
Video. Okay, and then we have the super duper torquey first.
Yeah.
Right?
Look at the gear ratio, and also red motor, second red motor.
2 red motors.
Insane power,
This is 100
insane
RPM,
torque.
100 RPM. I think it's like a 6-to-1 ratio inside of here, so super torquey.
Make sure you program them to spin in opposite directions if you're copying us.
Yeah,
Obviously, you've seen these. When you drive forward, they just fold down. And
down, what
because it's out of size if they
And,
start like
so
that.
Our stats
The drivetrain.
Our
Okay.
stats on a robot. So we have a super loose motor over here.
Yeah, we do have to tighten some things up.
Yeah, but it'll all be
Okay,
good.
so the drivetrain, as you can see, we just have a motor on each of the 4
These
wheels.
are direct drive,
and,
200
yeah,
RPM.
200
green
RPM
motors,
green.
From Vex.
Okay.
What else?
So it's worked really good. It hasn't had any struggles with power or anything.
Yeah.
The brain placement right in the middle here.
For low center of gravity.
Yeah, low center of gravity. We just couldn't put it all the way at
We
the
have a
back.
radio mounted right
Also,
here.
our center of gravity is really good because it's towards the back. So even when we have it
Yeah,
out
we
all
have-
the way,
We have this motor stack. in
it
the
rarely,
back here.
it doesn't really tip forward unless you have it like driving all the way out and then you
Unless
suddenly
like, the
reverse.
only thing
It
backwards-
is really stable.
The backwards
antenna right
we
here.
we use these kind of as like stops, so
Yeah.
it isn't able
Those,
to tip.
wait, okay, I'll make it fall forward. You can easily just move this so it goes back. You can move the arm. If it falls backwards, that's more of a problem.
But because
But-
it's over here, that's a very rare.
Yeah, it never happened. It never really happened to us. The battery goes here.
Yeah.
The robot's all complete. We just have to add a rubber band for the battery. But like, this is pretty much 100% complete.
We're just gonna wire manage it a little bit.
Yeah, the wire management a little. But like, as
And-
far as like actually adding like mechanical stuff, it's pretty much done. We just had to put some zip ties, some rubber bands.
and some battery mounts.
Yeah.
Okay, total specs. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 motors. So this
88
is Vex
watts.
Level. We have 1 brain. We do have the battery as well. 2 arms.
The battery should be able to power all the motors for like 9 minutes straight.
We have super good build. We have these spacers in here, so it doesn't so the T channel doesn't like bend in. This is called boxing. This is boxing method. What else we got?
Yeah, we have
everywhere.
3 horizontal beams to make
We have
this extra
extreme
straight.
stableness.
So I think that's pretty much it.
Thank you
The-
guys so much for watching. I was the supervisor for this.
Yeah, and
This is the head
I
builder,
designed, like-
head designer.
I pretty much designed everything except for the drivetrain.
You guys-
See y'all at Georgia TSA in 2
Georgia
weeks.
TSA.
SLC in 2 weeks in Athens.
Yeah, and then we super tough robot. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, we call it doom. Dominant object, oriented machine, snatching them cues like claws in a dream. Slides on the towel, so smooth and clean. Blinking is gone already on screen. Grip lift, score a whole crowd in the freeze. Hit the goal zone quick, make it look.